I've been sitting here with a pen in my hand, trying to write the words, but I don't understand. How did we end up here miles apart? You were my world, you were my heart. I'm sorry, darling, for the hurt I've caused, for the nights I was gone and the times I paused. I should have been better, should have been home, but now I'm sitting in the cell all alone. I know you'll be strong, you've always been, but it kills me, baby, not to be with you again. I see your face in every dream I have, and I'll carry that memory as I walk this path. I'll miss Aaron growing up, missing his smile. I won't be there for the first, not for a while, but no, I'm fighting every day in here, hoping that someday I'll make it clear. I'm sorry, love, for the way things turned out, for the pain in your heart, for the tears and the doubt. I'll carry this weight for the rest of my days, but I'll always love you in so many ways. I hope you find peace, I hope you find grace, as I face the years that I can't replace. I know the road is hard, but you've got the strength to carry on, to go to any length. I'll be right there, though I'm far away. You'll feel me in every prayer you say. And I know the girls are off in college now. I wasn't there to help, I couldn't show them how to chase their dreams, to make their mark. I wasn't there to light their spark. I miss those years, those days they grew, and I'll never forgive myself for not seeing it through. But I hope they know in their hearts so true, I love them and I'm proud of all they do. So hold on tight, I'm still yours, even when I'm behind these prison doors. If you wanna talk to me, just look at the moon. We'll be together, even if it's too soon.